If you're experiencing lag spikes while playing PUBG, there are several quick fixes you can try to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce or eliminate lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, and run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings in PUBG to reduce the load on your system. Decrease options like resolution, texture quality, and shadows to improve performance. Step 4. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers and network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website to download the latest versions, as updates can improve performance and fix bugs. Step 5. Optimize game settings. Use the game-based build and optimization settings with third-party software to optimize your game settings for better performance. This can help reduce lag by adjusting settings based on your hardware. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in PUBG.